Report 787 new cases, bringing the total number of active cases in our state to 6,516. 6,174 of those are community and 80 of those in nursing homes, 342 in correctional facilities. Sadly, 6 more Arkansans have died, bringing that total to 434. There are now 508 Arkansans hospitalized with COVID-19. But here's the thing, Chico County topping the charts today with the number of coronavirus cases coming from the area, 152. But 145 of those are coming from the correctional facility. Our Jay Burr joining us live from Russellville, where the governor held his briefing today. That's a lot of cases in that correctional facility, Jay.
You're exactly right, Hillary. In fact, the Marshall Project was a nonpartisan, nonprofit group that focuses on social justice here in the United States. Actually released a report today saying that Arkansas actually has the highest per capita infection rate of prisoners in the country. Now, the report showed that Arkansas prisoners are becoming infected at a 1,715% clip, higher than the rest of the state. The project also noted that prison workers are infected at a 458% higher rate than the rest of the state. But officials did not have specific numbers on that today, but they do say there are currently 342 active cases in Arkansas's prison system. Now, in regards to prisoner numbers, Governor Hutchinson saying today that it is in large part because they test a lot more inmates than many other states do, because part of Arkansas's response is to test whole pods of prisoners if there is a positive case.
We have a much more comprehensive response when we have one positive test in the prison system. We're constantly looking at ways we can do it better and improve, and I've challenged our new Secretary of Corrections to give a fresh look at it, and if there's ways that we can improve it, we will.
The governor also said that commercial lab testing numbers are still lagging, but he did have a call with the White House today, and they are optimistic that supply chains will begin to catch up with the demand, hopefully in August. Also, the governor says that the state is going to start looking into possibly presenting a little more data when it comes to testing. There's those 2 types of tests. They are going to start focusing a little more on antigen tests as opposed to the PCR tests, which are the numbers that they present daily currently. Live from Arkansas Tech, Jay Burr, KRK 4 News.